It's your boy Rodney Perry. I'm bringing you an evolutionary experience. Hey, it's game time.
Hi, this is India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and welcome to the folks that are brand new to my channel. Thank you so much either way for watching a video of mine. For the new folks, I love videos talking about handbags, usually with a pre-owned twist, but not always. And the lifestyle part of my channel name is just really anything like how-tos, tips, commentary, whatever else I just feel like talking about that is not specific to a handbag or wallets or anything like that. So today will actually be an unboxing. It will not be of a handbag, but it will be of a small leather good, and it is with Aspinal of London. So I will cut away to the unboxing video, and then I will come back around and just quickly talk about the item itself. All right, so let's cut away to that video. Boom, boom. All right, so now that you have seen that unboxing, this is not the first time that I've purchased from Aspinal of London. Several years ago, I did purchase a handbag. So I think I talk about that handbag. Actually, I don't think do I have a review of that bag? If I do have a review of that bag, you will see a link to that video pop up somewhere up here so that way you can check that out. All right, so just to cover if you have not heard of Aspinal of London real quick, they are based in the UK. I feel like I discovered Aspinal of London after Kate Middleton became famous, I guess is what you want to call it. Prince William, her dating him, and they had announced their engagement. And, pretty much when it became obvious that they were serious, they were following Pippa around. They were following her around, and she was photographed with several handbags. Pippa, I remember, had the Mary LeBone, which was in black and white, and that piqued my interest with the style, and I went to look into it and was very interested in it. So I do have a burgundy Mary LeBone that I've had for several years now. So I've purchased that, and then I have a couple of other things from Aspinal of London. Or do I? I bought a wallet, and my husband uses that wallet, and so I wanted to get a card holder. I was looking for a certain functionality, so this is the reason why I got the card holder that I did get that you saw on the screen. So quickly, I just want to talk about the packaging, and we'll end this unboxing with that. So as you can see here, it does come up in this box here that you saw again on the screen. What I did want to describe is that the top of the box is a smoother box, and then the bottom portion of it is more like a textured paper of some sort. And then the letters for Aspinal of London, as well as this crest, the leaf on the crest is raised. So just to provide a little bit more detail there. As well as my card holder came with this little piece of paper, which just basically talks about their guarantee, and items with Aspinal of London are, it doesn't say on here, I want to say that they are guaranteed for like a year, but it just says we will make any, yes, it does say it on here. So they guarantee their products for up to a year. So that's that. And then inside you just have the tissue paper that is stamped with Aspinal of London in white text. So it makes this beautiful little pillow in the box. There's nothing on the bottom of it, and that's how the packaging comes. The thing that I wanted to point out with Aspinal of London is, I know there are some fashion houses where if you buy something that is on sale, pretty much you will not get the packaging and all the hoopla that comes with it. And so far, I purchased full price. I've also purchased items that are on sale with Aspinal of London, and they all come with the beautiful branded packaging. So quick spiel here about this wallet, and really love this beautiful green croc color. And so you have 3 card holders here with the Aspinal of London crest that's there. I'm like, you have 2 card slots here, 1, 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 card slots here. And then you have a zipper top with a Aspinal of London logoed little key here. Zipper pull. I'm just like making up names for things right now. So you have the zipper pull. It is lined in this pretty kind of like rosy, dusty rose pink color. And then you have the same type of material that the exterior is made out of. It is stamped with the Aspinal of London. That's right there. Get that a little bit closer so you can see that. And then it is stamped across the back with Aspinal of London there. And then you have also a slip pocket here with Aspinal of London. And that is the reason why I got this one, because it gave me more real estate to hold more cards, as well as hold change and also hold cash comfortably with a card holder style. So that's why I wanted to get this. There is a little gusset on the side here. So that way it does allow you to make that a little bit wider. Obviously, it won't make space. So it's not going to, it pretty much create space for you. So what I mean by that is, if you put a whole lot of change in here, then it makes it a tighter fit for things to fit back here. And if you wanted to double up your cards or anything like that, you probably will have a harder, it'll probably be harder to double up cards into all spaces, just depending on how you utilize the space. So really like it and am happy to have this item. Definitely check out Aspinal of London. They have some really nice products. I know Sophie Sohet talks about it. Jas Jill does too. I'll throw their name down below so you'll see those YouTubers that have spoken about Aspinal of London before, that at least I've seen their videos. And maybe you should check out their videos as well as check out Aspinal of London if anything sounds interesting to you. So thank you so much for watching, and leave me any questions down below, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.